हमारे साइंटिस्टों ने माना है कि हम इंग्लिश को बहुत आसानी से सीख सकते हैं बिना किसी ग्रामर रूल की मदद के, सिर्फ बार बार अभ्यास कर कर, ठीक बच्चों की तरह जैसे वो बिना किसी रूल के इंग्लिश को सीखते हैं और बोलते हैं। धन्यवाद। आवर साइंटिस्ट हैड certified that we can speak fluently English without any grammar rule, only with repeatedly habit. So we can repeat our habit with speaking and listening like kids. So we can also speak very well like kids without any rule. They can understand and they can speak very well. Thank you. Ravi was a boy from a small village. In his village, education was not highly valued, but Ravi's parents always encouraged him to follow his dreams. Ravi's dreams was to get a government job one day, to improve his family financial situation and make his village proud. To achieve his dream, Ravi started preparing for the civil services examination known as the Lok Seva Ayog exam. This exam was very tough and had a vast syllabus. In the beginning, Ravi didn't know where to start, but instead of giving up, he began studying with full dedication and hard work. He would wake up early in the morning and study late into the night. Ravi made a strict daily routine for his studies. He woke up on time, did yoga and meditation to keep his mind calm, and then studied the whole day. He divided his syllabus into small parts and set a new goal for each day. As Ravi faced difficulties, he often felt that it was too much for him. But every time he felt discouraged, he remembered his words and got back to studies with renewed energy. His friends and villagers also always encouraged him. Time passed, and one day Ravi cleared all his semester exams. It was the happiest day of his life. He cracked the government exams. His hard work and determination had paid off. His success became a matter of pride for the entire village. Ravi's story teaches us that no matter how many difficulties come our way, if we remain dedicated to our goals and work hard, no obstacle can stop us. His inspirational journey became a model of everyone that nothing is impossible if we set our minds to it. Ravi teaches the children in his village and encourages them to pursue their dreams. His story has given everyone the belief that despite hardship, we can achieve anything if we are determined. Thanks for the today's story. If you like, then please like, comment and share.